Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to find the sum of cosine series. So let's start this with the program. So in the first line, this imports the math module which provides mathematical functions like math.factorial. And in the next line, this defines a function named cosine series sum that takes two parameters x and n. X is the angle in radians and n is the number of terms to include in the series. And in the next line, this docstring, this provides a clear explanation of what the function does along with its parameters and return value. Now, here in the next line, this line accumulates to store the sum of the series, and initially this is set to 0. And here sign is equals to 1. This tracks the alternating sign of each term in the series, which starts at 1 for the first term. Now here in the next line, a loop that run n times where I represent the index of the current term in the series. And here in the next line, this raises x to the power of 2i even powers only. And math.factorial here computes the factorial of 2i, which is denominator of the term. And here sign represents that multiplies the term by 1 or minus 1 to alternate the sign. Now in the next line here, this line adds the term to cosine sum, and in the next line, this line toggles the sign for the next iteration where minus 1 or 1 become minus 1. This is vice versa, as the positive becomes negative and negative becomes positive. Here in the next line, this returns the final value of cosine sum, which is the sum of the cosine series up to n terms. Now in the next line here, this prompts the user to enter the angle x in radians, and it is converted into float using float. And in the next line, this line prompts the user to enter the number of terms n and convert it into an integer. Now here in the next line, this calls the cosine series sum function with the user provided x and n, which both were the arguments. Now moving to the last line, this line prints the result in a formatted string showing the number of terms n, the angle x, and the computed sum. So let's check this program. We need to enter the value of x in radians. As I'm entering 60 and the number of terms in the series I'm entering as 40. Hence the answer we got is minus 1. So thanks for watching this video.